Hi, I'm State Representative Steve Reick. In 1995, the Illinois Parental Notice of Abortion Act was passed, which requires an adult family member to be notified before an abortion is performed on a minor under the age of 18. It does not require consent, it only requires notification. Notice to an adult family member isn't required if a minor obtains a judicial waiver by showing that she is able to make the decision to terminate her pregnancy without the forced involvement of an adult family member. But how can anyone say that a teenager feeling trapped and alone will make an informed and mature decision? Restore Justice Illinois, which last year advocated for restrictions on the purchase of firearms by young adults, says on its website that our laws treat teenagers and 20-year-olds differently than adults, citing neuroscience research that has established that the brain continues developing into a person's mid to late 20s. They go on to say that children and emerging adults respond with emotion more than adults at least until the age of 21. Emerging adults, like their younger peers, are prone to poor decision-making, impulsivity, peer pressure, and risky behavior. This argument was made by many of those who now say that a minor who doesn't have the capacity to own something that, if irresponsibly used, might result in death, has the maturity to decide on her own to undergo an invasive medical procedure that inevitably ends a human life. An effort is now underway to repeal the act. The proponents of repeal are saying that notification violates young people's rights to health, to be heard, to privacy and confidentiality of health services and information, and to be free from cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. They have no similar concerns about the need for parental permission to administer prescription and non-prescription medications in school settings, but it's a different story with abortion. What we're really talking about here is children having children. They may be the victims of exploitation by older men or human trafficking. The reason really doesn't matter, because it's at this very time that a young woman feeling trapped by her circumstances needs the advice of those closest to her. The current law allows for a safety valve if parental notice isn't possible, but parents have the primary responsibility for the well-being of their children. Repealing the Parental Notice of Abortion Act will do nothing to make that young woman's decision any easier, but it will remove parents from their primary role in the lives of their children to be replaced by who knows what. And until somebody can honestly answer what that is, we have no business repealing the PNA. Thank you.